What's up? This is stoiczfpv, and this is the November Fpvcrate. Let's check it out. Okay, so you can have this code if you want it. Here it is. First, we have some stickers. I'm not excited about these stickers, to be honest. This one's pretty cool though. Some orange props and theme. They're Hurricane MCK 5146-6 V2. We can try them out. This is a shirt. Oh, this is a pretty fucking sick. This is a pretty sick shirt. Yeah, it's pretty sick. Nice shirt. Definitely gonna wear that. Some Lumineer solder. Always useful. And some motors. That's it. Let's check out these motors. They're Flash Hobby 2207s, 1950 kV. I got the 6S Fpvcrate. This is a motor, and this is a 2207. Looks pretty beefy. It feels beefy, like it could take a hit, which is a good thing. I want to say that my T-motor, my budget T-motors do not feel like that. They do not feel like that. So here are the T-motors, and maybe it's because the bell is bigger. That could be it too. The bell is taller, I mean. So yeah. But yeah, it's a pretty nice motor. We're gonna try it out. And this is everything we got right here. Props, the shirt. And yeah, it's not bad. I like this one. I like this Fpvcrate. Good job, Fpvcrate. But I'm not. The stickers could be better. They could be better stickers.